Hello, and welcome to part 3 of our demo series where we discuss different aspects of updating and maintaining your custom WordPress website. Today we are going to talk about adding a post to your website. So this is something that will be relevant if you have a blog page or a news page or some sort of announcements or updates page. So you can see here on our demo site we're opened up to our latest news page. There are two ways that you can add a post, one from the front end and one from the back end. So from the back end, you would just go to your dashboard, and on your sidebar here, you would go ahead and find posts and go down to add new and click that, and it will open up your standard post editor. From the front end, you would just go up here to your header toolbar, and where it says new, hover over that, click post, and again, it will open up this standard post editor. So from here, you can just edit your post. You can add your title. So let's say this is some sort of big news post. That's going to be our title. And then down here is where you're going to edit the body of your post. So this is very similar to editing text on the website, which we've talked about in our last video. So if you wanted to have some sort of heading, you would go ahead and add that in, highlight that, and you can select whatever heading size you want it to be. Just your standard body text can be paragraph, and you can just add your, big news post information. You can also add PDFs and images to your post from your media library. So we just go up here and click add media. If you wanted to add a PDF, you just select your PDF and click insert into post. Now this will insert your PDF as the file title, so this will appear with the file title. If you want your PDF to be titled something different, you can go ahead and just type that title right into the text editor there. So just say this is a flyer, we just want it to appear as flyer. So we would type that in, go back to our media library, select our PDF, but over here where it says file URL, we're going to click copy to clipboard, exit out of our media library, highlight our text, and over here where it says insert edit link, go ahead and select that, paste your file URL in, and click apply, and that's going to open up to your PDF as well. You can also add an image, again, back to your media library, select your image, insert that into the post. You can change the layout of the page, so if you don't want a sidebar to appear, you just go ahead and select that and click no sidebar. You can add category, so you could, whatever category is there, you can add your post to that, or you can add a new category. Let's say this is going to be a news category, so we'll add that. You can add tags to your post, so maybe you don't want it to just be news, you want it to be tagged as big news. Go ahead and add that. You can set your post to expire. Go ahead by clicking enable post expiration. Select whatever date. So let's say we want this to expire in 10 days on the 14th. We would just type that date in. But let's say we don't want this to expire as a draft. We just open that up, and let's say we want this to expire as trash. Go ahead and select that. You can also add a featured image to your post. So just click select featured image. It will open up your media library. Let's select our flowers again. Set that as our featured image, and then we can scroll back up to the top and we can click preview here. And this will show us what it looks like on the front end. So once we're happy with how this looks, you can exit out of your preview and then just click publish. And it will think for a little while, and then it will load, and you see here it says view post. So post published, view post. Select that, and this is now live on your website. So that is how you add a post to your WordPress website.